Hello, my group friend. I'm so happy to have you here. You see, I almost lost my words, right? It happens. Anyway, I'm so excited to come to you today because today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of our Groove community trainings, workshops. We have it all. You know, like the trainings you get in other platforms and you have to pay for those trainings? Right now on Groovefunnels, we're having trainings, we're having workshops, and we're having community for free. Like, if you've not seen the abundance in 2020, uh, I've seen it. I've seen it, and it's in the Groovefunnels. If you take the free version or you get the platinum paid version, you have abundance and you have like Christmas coming early, right? Yeah, so for the community, I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn the screen because there's a lot. And already in the Facebook group, I am experiencing a lot of value. There's no scam there, there's no spamming. Like, it's crazy valuable. The training itself, it's worth more than anything I've ever learned since the last 8 years of my entrepreneurship. And that's why with my videos that I'm going to be making, I'm just going to be making sneak peeks, because as I told you, I'm going to leverage other people's creativity. So about the templates, if I want to build my pages, I'm going to be leveraging other people's templates until maybe I want to create something just from me when I have time. But right now, as I'm running across my kids all the time, I just want to leverage other people's creativity. So I'm also going to leverage their training, because even when I want to learn something, I go to their training. So I'm not going to recreate another training if I want to lead people into this software. I'm just going to be doing my small sneak peeks, and then I recommend to my team, people who join or who get this software through my link, my affiliate link. I'm going to be directing them to those Groove training, because they are valuable. And if I get so professional on this, then I'll be doing my own trainings, right? Yeah, so anyway, let me turn the screen so that I can show you what I've recorded. Yeah, so now I wanted to show you about the community, the Groovefunnels community, GrooveCon events, and everything. So I wanted to come to this picture here. So it's more than just a software. I know you've seen this if you've watched my other sneak peek videos. So it's more than just a business tool software, right? They give you everything you need to sell products and services. And not just that, you also get many ways to learn and grow as a marketer. And you're not growing alone, you're growing together with other marketers, right? So they have the free VIP tickets to GrooveCon if you have the lifetime version of Groovefunnels. So that's community, right? Meeting other groove stars, right? You have free live in-person workshops throughout the year. Groovefunnels Academy, where we have all the trainings. They go deep into the trainings. That's why I'm doing just sneak peeks as I'm starting over. Like I'm a beginner, and as I go learning more and more, I'm going to be able to make more deeper trainings. But for now, I'm more I'm using the Groovefunnels Academy to learn more and and applying. That's why everything that you've seen on the sneak peek, I'm just at the beginning, and I want to document my journey from the beginning until right until. So even the GrooveCut, you remember I told you I've not yet started, and it's already there on my hands. It's just for me to find time, to make time, so that I can start learning about GrooveCut. And talking about GrooveCut, they have, I don't know whether it's every Thursday, but they have, it's every Thursday. You see, I know it. Free live webinar training on e-commerce marketing every Thursday, 6 p.m. That's when they talk about the GrooveCut. And actually, there are recordings that are put on the GrooveCut Academy. So I've not yet started on that. Actually, I've not yet even gone back to check on my GrooveCut, but I know when I go there, I'm going to get crazy, because I already want to order some print-on-demand t-shirts for my business, for my branding. So I'm so excited about that. So we have Groovefunnels Academy, where there are all the trainings, so great trainings that go into depth of each and every app that I've shown you the sneak peeks, right? Yeah, and so they have also free live webinar training on digital marketing every Tuesday. That's true, and then the replays are put on the academy. But also on the academy, there are even more other videos, right? So many videos, so many trainings that now they have an artificial intelligence kind of thing where if you just want a video, you go put the link, the title of the video that you're looking for. Like if you want to GrooveSell, you go write GrooveSell, and the videos about all GrooveSell, they appear there. So finding these trainings, it has become even more easier. I'm going to be showing you that on another video as we move forward. And the premium support upgrade with toll-free number. I've not yet used that one, but I've seen that their support are crazy cool. I've seen some reviews, right? So let me come back to the page here to show you more about the community. And talking about the community, because the community is all about the customers and affiliates. I remember I did a video about the affiliates, group affiliates, and I didn't talk about the commissions. You see, if you have the lifetime membership, you pay you get 40% of the commissions. And if you have the free version, it's 20%. So I'll go deeper into that as time goes by. You see, I can't tell everything now. So that's why I want to document slowly by slowly. So now, because we're talking about the trainings, we talk about the Groove Academy. You see, you come here, you learn more, you create your account, and then you have it. You see, as we pass by here, they have GroovePay, they have Groove Ads, a full service advertising agency specializing in Facebook advertising. If you need help in advertising, so you can contact them, you learn more about that. Tutorials. This is also community. Tutorials, they are there for us to continue learning, and it's we are all a community helping each other and making tutorials. So it's not all just a software, but they are training us, and they're not selling these trainings, they are giving us all for free. You see, the one I was telling you, the artificial intelligence, it's video search engine. You see, oh, that one I can remember. Webinar trainings, I've told you about that. And the Facebook group. Now the community is here. And this group, you won't find spamming or scamming, whatever you call it. You won't find anything negative because the admins of this Facebook group, they're working hard. And so it's a positive group. It's a great, valuable group, community of more than 100,000 members. So you want to be part of this. And the support is cool. I've not yet, I contacted support when I wanted my GrooveCard account, and they responded immediately. So I've not used them a lot because, you've seen starting out. So I've not used them a lot, but I see they respond so fast. And if you have any questions before contacting support, it's good to come and read the most frequently asked questions here, where you're going to have more answers of what you're looking for. So before contacting support, go here and you're gonna find your answers. So the community it's cool. I'm not gonna go to the Facebook group. Let me show you. But in order for you to join it, you have to have logged into your Groovefunnels account in order to get your link to take you there. So you see, it's a private group, and it has more than 101,000 members. And I'm telling you, it's positive. Imagine all these kind of people, and it's only positive content. Because if they scam or spam, it doesn't get to the group. It doesn't get to our eyes because the admins are really working. And you come here, you read all these, and the community is super valuable, right? Yeah. So, and community, you surround yourself with people who are going where you want to go, right? So this community of Groovefunnels, it's like none other. I've not seen another one like this one, and I'm so excited to be part of this software, to be part of this community, right? Yeah. So that's it for this community. I can't wait to find you on the inside. So go to www.groovefriend.com, watch my small video there, and then sign up. It's going to take you 15 minutes, not more than that, for you to sign up on Groovefunnels and find us on the inside, and let's do this thing, and let's share it widely with so many people around the world. Right before the 18th of October, actually, because the launch is starting on the 6th to 18th of October, and then there will be no longer the free version. It will no longer be there. So It's going to be $99, $199, and $299. So hurry up right now so that you can start sharing this with other people, right? Yeah, and talking about that, I'm going to make another video. So after you watch this video, come and watch another video where I'm going to be talking about the launch of the of the Groovefunnels, because we are still in beta, but now they're doing the launch, and after that it's no longer going to be this free stuff again. Let me see whether I can get to show you about that, just a sneak peek, but there'll be a special video for that. Let me go for the promos. Let me go here. It's not here. Where is that? Where can I find? Oh yeah, sorry. If you come here, you do learn more. You see, the launch begins October 6th of 150,000 prizes. It starts on 6th October and it ends on the 18th of October. So I'm going to make a video about this, learn how to earn 40% recurring and residual income for life, and our automatic 2-tier affiliate program. This is exciting. So I have a special video for this. So so watch my next video so that you can learn more about this one. So go to www.groovefriend.com. You're my new friend right now, right? So groovefriend.com, watch my small video there, and then sign up for your free account now. Because so if you want to be part of these people here who are going to be promoting Groove between the 6th and 18th of October to earn up to 40% recurring and residual income, you have to jump in right now, because only 5 days left, right? Yeah, so I don't know when you're going to be watching this sneak peek video. Maybe it will be after the launch. But in any way, Groovefunnels is the place to be for such a time as this, right? Yeah, so see you on the next video where I'm going to be really talking about this launch, because it sounds so crazy and I want to be a part of it. So see you on the next video. So that's it. Have you liked it? So get your free version from www.groovefriend.com. Try it, and if you love it, upgrade to platinum to have abundance of all these apps. I'm so excited. Don't miss out before the 18th of October. Jump on it now and join our community, a community full of love, a community who wants to see the success of other people. And if you see all these founders, they've created these to help marketers market their businesses, like, it's super cool. For me, it's a dream come true. For me, seriously speaking, Groovefunnels, it's my dream come true. 2020 to me, it's like 2012 when I launched my business with social engine software. It was good for such a time as that. I've used ClickFunnels. It was good for such a time as that. I've used WordPress a bit. It was good for such a time as that. I've tried Kartra for 14 days. It was good for such a time as that. I've tried hosting my stuff also on social media. It was good for such a time as that. But Groovefunnels is good for me, is great for me, it's magnificent for me for such a time as this. So let me set it there and see you on some other videos. And please share these videos with everyone. We all have something to bring into this world. And if you don't know where to host it online, then Groovefunnels is the place for you. You can start with the free version or the paid one if you see its potential, right? You have the freedom of choice, so I let you make your decision, right? So see you from the inside. So get your software from www.groovefriend.com, right? And if you join, if you get, I don't want to say join because you're not joining anything here. You're starting a business, you're launching your business, right? So if you get your software through my links, you're going to have crazy bonuses. Did you watch the membership? If you get the free version software, you're going to get the limited bonus on my course. And if you get the platinum with the software, you're going to get the abundance in my course. Those are crazy bonuses, and still they are on beta, but they're going to have more value as time goes by, right? Yeah, so you're going to have both worlds, right? Professional development, personal development, and then you have it all. You have it all, right? Balancing your 7 dimensions of wellness. That's it. So see you on another video, and I'm happy for you. Please share this video with everyone that you know, right? Cool.